Forget everything you think you know about camper vans, because Honda just flipped the game for 2026. This isn't a bulky box on wheels. It's a sleek, futuristic motorhome that looks more like a luxury SUV than an RV. With a hybrid powertrain, solar power, a boutique hotel-style interior, and a price tag that could rival a high-end car. This might be the most exciting compact motorhome we've seen in years. Stick around, because you're about to see why the 2026 Honda Motorhome is about to change road trips forever. Now, when you first see this thing, it doesn't scream camper van. It looks sporty, sharp, and very, very Honda. The body is sleek and sculpted with those bold lines, flared arches, and that deep metallic blue finish they call Sonic Blue Pearl. Add in the black accents around the windows, mirrors, and grille, and the whole thing gives off this premium lifestyle vehicle vibe. This isn't your grandpa's camper. It's something you'd actually be proud to park in front of a luxury hotel or roll into an outdoor festival with. The front end is pure Honda DNA. You've got those sharp LED headlights, the bold black grille with the Honda badge right in the middle, and an aggressive bumper that looks more at home on a crossover than a motorhome. Along the side, the design is just as slick. The panoramic tinted windows stretch across the living space, and the integrated awning up top promises shade at the touch of a button. Down low, there are multiple storage compartments hidden neatly into the body. No clunky panels sticking out. Everything just looks polished and intentional. And the wheels? Glossy 20-inch alloys that make it feel more like a concept car than a camper. But as striking as the exterior is, it's what's inside that really makes the 2026 Honda Motorhome a game-changer. Step inside, and it feels less like a camper van and more like a boutique hotel suite on wheels. The living space is cozy but smartly designed. There's an L-shaped sofa that doubles as a dining area, complete with a fold-down walnut table that has wireless charging built in. Overhead, you've got sleek matte black cabinets with soft, close doors, all lit up with ambient LED strips that give the whole space this soft, modern glow. It's the kind of place where you can kick back, watch a movie on the wall-mounted OLED TV, or just relax by the slimline electric fireplace after a long drive. Move into the kitchen area, and you'll notice Honda hasn't cut any corners here either. There's a compact induction cooktop, a smart under-counter fridge, and even a built-in coffee pod system. Because, of course, a vehicle this stylish has to make your espresso in the morning. The cabinetry continues the blue and black theme from the outside, and everything just feels high-end. Not like the flimsy plastic you sometimes find in traditional RVs. At the back, the bedroom makes clever use of space with a queen-size memory foam bed. The pop-top roof extends here, giving you standing height and a skylight that lets in natural light during the day, but also closes up with a blackout shade at night. It's cozy, but doesn't feel cramped, with little details like bedside USB ports, subtle mood lighting, and even a slim wardrobe with mirrored doors. Honestly, it's the kind of spot you wouldn't mind sleeping in for weeks at a time. And yes, there's a bathroom too. It's compact, but it feels premium with a rainfall shower head, teak wood accents, and a modern vanity sink. The entire wet bath design makes sure you're not sacrificing comfort just because you're in a small space. Think of it like a yacht bathroom, tight but stylish. Now, let's talk performance, because this is where Honda has a real edge. Instead of a thirsty gas engine, the 2026 Motorhome is built on Honda's HEV hybrid platform. That means you're getting a 2.0-liter hybrid engine with an electric boost, delivering somewhere around 150 to 200 horsepower. It's not about going 0 to 60 in 5 seconds. It's about efficiency and range. And Honda is promising over 500 kilometers on a full tank and charge combined, which means fewer stops on your road trips and way less guilt about your carbon footprint. There's also an available all-wheel drive option. So if your adventures take you off the beaten path, this little motorhome can handle it. With the solar panel integration on the roof and smart energy management inside, it's clearly built for off-grid living too. Whether you're working remotely from the road or just enjoying a weekend in the mountains, this setup means you can stay powered without constantly hunting for hookups. So, what's it going to cost? Honda hasn't officially confirmed pricing yet, but industry insiders expect it to land in the range of $80,000 to $120,000, depending on the trim and options. That puts it right up against European favorites like the VW California and some Mercedes Sprinter conversions. But with Honda reliability and a much fresher design, at the end of the day, the 2026 Honda Motorhome feels like a bold move. It's compact, stylish, and forward-thinking. It doesn't try to be the biggest RV on the lot, it just tries to be the smartest. And for a lot of modern travelers who want something practical, efficient, and seriously good-looking, this might just be the perfect fit. So, what do you think? Would you take this futuristic Honda on your next road trip? Or do you prefer the bigger, traditional motorhomes? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you're as excited about where motorhome design is headed as I am, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tours of the latest RV innovations.